Hello, good evening teacher. Today I will present my project on the current equipment of the EPT. In this opportunity, I am going to space each one of them, but at first I am going to indicate what EPPs means and which are its functions. Personal project equipment. The EPP is essential in welding to project workers from Burns Spark, Interlink, and Halron formings. Equipment the like welding harness, gloves, aprons, and respirants helps prevent serious injuries and heart losses, ensuring a safe and more efficient work every moment. Welding clothing. This helps to protect the person who is going to perform the respiratory welding, as it has the benefit and can be protected from chips and burns and can kill welding. It is always good to use it. Welding help protects the edges and face from interaction with UV radiation and sparks auto darkens. When adults the lens shade automatically during welding. It is always recommended to use it to avoid UV rays. Safety glass. Work under the wind on private extra if protected from field parties when not active welding. It's recommended to avoid weld sparring. Welding gloves meant to have resistant material. They protect hands from burns, spike, and electric shock. Welding jig or paron. Usual mainly for lead of flake resin fabric is a upper body for lead, spike, and molten metal. It's necessary to use it to avoid any burns on the body. Respirator or welding foam pads mask protects lungs from toxic humans and gases produced during welding, especially in exhaust space. It helps with health of the person to avoid any type of toxicants. Protección auditiva, tapones o auricular. Reduce prefer to low noise from machine or welding equipment. Steel toe boots protect from falling objects and materials and punctures. It is important to use it to avoid spray and burns on the foot. Fire resistant pants prevents burn from spark and hot loss. Never runs cistern fabricants and the milk and to skin.